They wake early, the town is quiet, the sky is soft and pale. They stand on a small bridge, they watch Hoi An wake up. Boats glide on the Thu Bon River. The first light makes the old houses glow with a warm, amber hue. This is Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, of preserved architecture, lantern-lit streets, and rich cultural history. In Episode 2, we explored Da Nang. In this Episode 3, we will explore Hoi An. The history of Hoi An is written in its architecture and its layout. From the 15th to the 19th centuries, this was a major Southeast Asian trading hub. Imagine large ships arriving from Portugal, their decks laden with goods. Junks came from China and from Japan, as did ships from Europe. Traders walked these streets, selling silk, spices, and ceramics. You can see this in the buildings: Chinese houses, Japanese influence, and French details. The Japanese covered bridge remains a graceful emblem of this multicultural heritage. Hoi An's UNESCO recognition is a promise to preserve streets, houses, and bridges, and to share what life was like long ago. Walking here is like stepping back in time. Low buildings, many wooden, with bright paint faded by age, doors open to small shops, tailors sit at their machines, artisans shape clay, lantern makers tie thin bamboo frames with silk. The work feels both old and new, passed down through generations. The cobblestones are worn smooth by centuries of footsteps, carts, and bicycles. Faded yellow walls glow in afternoon sun, while bougainvillea spills over ancient walls. Beauty lives in intimate details: a carved sign, old shutters, a doorway altar. People here care about their town and want the buildings to tell their story. They protect houses and bridges, and welcome visitors with open arms. Built in the 1590s with a curved roof and carved stone, it once marked the Japanese settlement. Crossing it, visitors feel history underfoot, a bridge between past and present. The town whispers its stories in the rustle of leaves and the lapping water. In the coming hours, they will witness the Full Moon Lantern Festival. They wander through bustling markets and watch skilled tailors at work. Artisans make lanterns and clay pieces in open workshops. Hoi An's cuisine, chow lao, white rose dumplings, and banh mi, is simple, elegant, unforgettable. The markets brim with color, chatter, and the music of knives and fire. One of the town's best-known sights is the Japanese covered bridge. Small but graceful, its form speaks to centuries of care. Built by the Japanese community many years ago, with a small temple inside, a tribute to the power of nature. Assembly halls honor sea spirits with incense smoke spiraling upward. Here, hope and gratitude are woven into daily life. The town absorbed its history and continued to live. Life here moves with the river. Fishermen leave at dawn in small round basket boats, and in long wooden vessels. They cast their nets into placid waters, movements honed by years of practice. By mid-morning they return to sell the day's catch. The river is food, transport, and a calming presence. Its gentle current sets the town's unhurried pace. Work and community gather at the water's edge. It connects people not just to the sea, but to each other. It has witnessed trading ships and quiet everyday moments alike. At night, lights shine from riverside cafes, reflecting warm gold on water. Small wooden boats drift under a canopy of color. People light small lanterns and set them afloat with whispered wishes. A slow, mesmerizing procession carries hopes along the river. Music drifts through the night as the crowd grows gentle and still. To understand Hoi An, spend time by its river, the town's shared backyard and living soul. Just beyond the preserved old town, the landscape opens into a sea of green. In the wet season, the fields shine like mirrors, reflecting the sky. In the dry season, deep greens ripple like an ocean. They love to rent a bicycle and ride narrow paths through small villages. Children wave and shout cheerful hellos as visitors pass. The countryside smells of earth and growing plants and clean air. Life moves with the seasons, planting, harvesting, and the steady stride of water buffalo. These gentle giants graze by the road or cool in shallow ponds. Near Hoi An are lovely beaches, and Bang and Qua Dai, Soft sand stretches for miles along the South China Sea. Small cafes serve cold drinks and fresh grilled seafood. A relaxed retreat where sunsets paint the sky and waves keep time. Hoi An blends heritage with modern touches. Boutique hotels hidden behind ancient walls. Comfort without disturbing the town's aesthetic. Small cafes serve excellent coffee and delicious cakes, perfect for watching the world go by. Cooking schools teach the balance of fish sauce, lime, and chili. These experiences help you participate in the culture, not just observe it. The tailors of Hoi An are legendary. Their shops line the streets. Choose a fabric and have a custom piece ready in under 24 hours. The speed and precision come from years of family craft. Skills pass from generation to generation, keeping quality alive. In Than Ha, artisans have shaped clay for over 5 centuries. From wet clay to flame, each form emerges with patience. Woodcarvers' intricate designs adorn temples and historic houses. At night, modern tourism meets old-world charm. A gentle buzz of light, food, and motion. Hoi An offers unforgettable tastes and experiences beneath a canopy of silk light. Lighting lanterns on the river, one of those moments found only here. Cycling through emerald fields as the day begins. Tasting the night market's simple, elegant flavors. Hoi An awakens all the senses: sight, scent, taste, and touch. The beauty here is intimate and detailed. Each small moment joins a larger story of history, community, and grace. A timeless jewel, gentle, living, and real. Hoi An blends history, culture, and natural beauty into a single, quiet heartbeat. May its lanterns guide travelers to savor small moments wherever they roam. Next, the journey continues to another destination that captures the soul of place. Until then, let the river's hush linger a little longer.